Hello everyone, if you set up first time your conversion tracking on Google Ads, so you will see here is status is unverified. Unverified mean this conversion is not fired on your website. This is provide some user ID and conversion label I added on this Google Tag Manager by this Tag Manager. So if I search on Tag Manager Google Ads, so you will see this is Google Ads add to cart, and here is the Google Ads ID and conversion label and add to cart product price, add to cart currency we set up on here, and here is our custom trigger for this GA4 add to cart. So we have already enabled the data layer. This is the custom add to cart and we already updated that. So now when I make a preview and make a preview tag on here, then we will see one here unverified to verified. Now I'm going to the preview button for previewing our website, and I just click connect, and then I'm going to on here and I just visit the page view. If the page view works perfectly on this Google Ads account conversion, this page view is unverified to verified. I just refresh from here. If the page view tag on fired successfully on here, so if you see one here, our Google Ads conversion Facebook tag is fired using this same label Google Ads conversion ID. This is fired perfectly, and now we will see one here. I already refreshed that. If you go on here, so you will see here is coming no recent conversion, right? So Google Ads getting this data from this website. Now our goal is the second one is add to cart. So this is the add to cart. So here is showing unverified. Now I'm going to a product. So this is actually view content, and I just need to click add to cart. So when I click add to cart, so this is on here and our add to cart should be fired on here, and you will see Google Ads add to cart is fired perfectly one here. So now and if you see the value as well, so this is the value, and we will see the value as well on here. Okay, so now I'm going to on here and then name add to cart. This is the value, conversion level and conversion value. If you see one here, so conversion value is 29 and conversion currency is this €1. So okay, go on here, and now I'm going to one here. So this is fired, so I'm going to again refresh this page for this add to cart and basket. I think here is showing no recent conversion. So you see, so this is showing no recent conversion. So if you run any ads on Google, so this data will see one here, the all conversion and all conversion value will perfectly coming on here, because we already added Google Ads conversion linker as well. This is the Google Ads conversion ID for add to cart, and also you see the GCL ID is already worked for the cookie prefix, and our conversion value is perfectly worked. So now I'm going to here and I just select from here this one. We just recently added this cart, €29. So now what is our cart total? Cart total is 888, right? So I just click this one for the begin checkout. When I click on here, so this is the begin checkout, and this begin checkout which work perfectly. I think now I'm going to the tag manager, and if you see this begin checkout on here, and now I'm going to on here. So here is you see Google Ads conversion begin checkout is successfully fired, and this one. And if you go on here, so here is the conversion value is 888, and this is the euro, and here is the conversion level and conversion ID. Okay, now I'm going to on Google Ads conversion, and this is our begin checkout. So if this begin checkout is successfully works and our conversion level is successfully same, so this is showing no recent conversion. Now I'm going to refresh this page, then we will see the data. So our this works, refresh is done. So here is showing no recent conversion. So now we can make a campaign, and we can select our campaign goal from here. Now I'm going to Google Ads conversion, and if we create a campaign, under the campaign we will select the goal as well. So if you create a new campaign or any other sales campaign from here, so here is showing this is data. So this data is successfully work, and you will see no recent conversion and value is dynamic. And here is interaction action, that is showing also on here. This one coming from maybe universal analytics. Okay, so this one from this is the one active conversion action from website add to basket and goal. Okay, so now here is another one. This is the two recent conversion. One is this one, and this is already verified, that's why showing no error. But on the purchase we did not make any test purchase, that's why this is not showing. So you can remove from here. This is the purchase, this is the important as well, and we can remove from the contact because of we don't want contact, we don't want phone call because of on e-commerce website we don't want that. So we need only add to cart, begin checkout, purchase and page view. So this is actually our goal, and this conversion goals to improve your sales. So that's why we need to set up this. And how many conversion we get on here, we will see a good report from here, like how many click we get, what's the CPC as well, what's the cost. And here is you will see one here after set up this conversion. Under the conversion level you will see one here purchase and sale. Under the conversion level you will see again, I'm going to the conversion, and you will see here is the other add to cart, add to basket. This one when you set up that, so the data will show one here add to cart. So they will see this add to cart, this is the price as well, we will save on the dynamic value as well. So this is option, so we will save also one here cost, average CPC, something like that we will see one here. And there is the cost like click impression, and here it should be impression, then average CPC cost. So this is the standard. So we will see the all data, all event perfectly, we are successfully track this all value perfectly. So I think this video is helpful for you, how to set up Google Ads conversion and how we can make that. So I just going to on here and using this tag Google Ads add to cart tag. So we already enabled the data layer on our website backend. We already make this variable as well. We just add this variable on this total price, and you will see on the under the preview mode on here add to cart, and under the add to cart you already see that this is the value, conversion value as well. This conversion value is coming from this one, this conversion value. This is the dynamic, and we already enabled the data layer. You will go on here the data layer. So this is the all e-commerce data layer on here. So I think this video is helpful for you, how to set up Google Ads conversion and how we verify that, how you know your Google Ads conversion is working and your Google Ads conversion is active perfectly. So then you can create a campaign and you can select the goal as well. So I think this video is helpful for you. Have a great day.